Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope that you all are safe from this COVID-19 situation. And as you know, the world is fighting with the coronavirus right now, and you know what, knowingly or unknowingly, we are creating some amount of waste, like the masks or these gloves also. We just use it only once and we just throw them. So what I want to say is, if we can reuse these things again to create something, or we can recycle them, then that will be a very good idea. So what I am trying to do in this video is I am going to make a sculpture, a cement sculpture using these gloves. So keep watching. Let's DIY this. First of all, let me cover this mat or the cement will damage it. So now we need a bowl and take some cement in that. You can use any kind of bowl and amount of cement, that depends on you. So it's up to you how you are going to use it. So now I'm going to add some water to this cement so that we can create a paste. And while doing this job, please be careful with it, because in case you will add some extra amount of water, then the paste will become thin, and that is not helpful. In case somehow you made the paste thinner, just like you see in the screen, so what you have to do is add some more amount of cement so that you can make it thick again. And this is the paste that we are going to use. Now take a gloves and fill the gloves with this cement paste. While filling the paste, do something like this to the gloves so that the paste will go to the bottom of that finger, and there will not be any kind of cavity or air gap. So this is one of the important thing that we need to do while filling the paste. Okay, so this is now filled with the cement, and do something like this so that there will not be any kind of cavity. Now take a bowl and put that gloves inside the bowl so that we can get a shape like this. And I'm going to put this glass bowl on the top of that hand so that we can have a space to hold things. So now I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours. Okay, so this is dry maybe, and it's looking hard now. So let's see. By the way, these fingers are looking very loose. Maybe they will break. So okay, I need a cutter and I will cut this glove so that I can get the cement sculpture out of it. Okay, so as I was saying, the fingers are loose and they are broken, so I have to do it again. The same process I have to follow again. So this time I am making the paste little thicker so that it will dry easily. And while putting it inside the bowl, I should be careful so that I will not cut the fingers again. Okay, so now I am going to let it dry for 24 hours again. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's almost 30 hours now, and let's cut that glove and let's see what happened to our hand. Oh, it's broken again. I have to do something now for this one. Okay, so this is not that much broken. I think I can join them together again. So I'm taking some amount of cement and I will add some water and I will create something like glue. Okay, this is not that much thin, that much thick. This is something like a glue, and I will apply that glue or that cement paste we created to the surface of the broken parts, and I will connect them all together. And with that the fingers are connected, and now let it dry. So I'm taking it under the sunlight so that it will dry faster. So let it be here for some time. Okay, so now let's go and get our hand. Okay, it's dry now. Okay, it's strong enough. So let's go downstairs. So let's have a look on the hand, and okay, as you can see in this back side, these are looking like patches because of that cement glue we made. So now clean the hand with a brush and be careful with the corners so that all the dust or small cement particles will be removed. That's what we need to make it clean. Well, this hand sculpture is ready now and it's looking really good. And how we can use it? We can use it to store our small stuffs on the table. We can organize them like this cutter, rubber, coins, and things like pen drives and all that. We can just organize them on our table. You can color this in different ways, but I like it as it is the original cement paint. So that is up to you that how you are going to decorate it. So now it's your time to DIY this. So I hope that you liked this thought, and if you liked it, then don't forget to click on that like button and share this thought with everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get an instant notification. So see you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.